To enable or disable Do Not Disturb on the Redmi A7 Pro, first of all we need to open settings. Over here in settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then we want to go to sound and vibration. Now in here we should be able to find the Do Not Disturb, so we can select this option, and then here we have this switcher that allows us to turn on and turn off DND mode. You can also add the DND mode to the control center. I believe by default it is not there, so at the bottom of the control center we can use the edit option, and then in here we should be able to find the DND button, so we can just add it into this list. There we go, we can turn it on and turn it off quite easily. You can also press and hold your finger on the volume slider, and here we have this moon button again, which enables and disables DND. And also you can use volume up or volume down. And then here below the volume slider we have this moon icon again, and it enables and disables DND. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.